Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Quick video here of my 72 Chevy truck I built from the ground up, and I put in the Barrett Jackson this last year, January 2024. Anyone who's been following me for a while understands, like, I was held in hostage basically by a mechanic shop for quite a while. Just the computer and all those things, wiring, I don't do that. So kind of hit a hiccup on stuff like that. But anyways, finally got it built, finished, got it sold, and did pretty well on it. Actually, they could always do better, but I think I did pretty good. The coolest thing of the auction is Craig Jackson actually stopped the auction when the car wasn't doing that well. It stalled at like 40 grand. I was like, oh shit, I just gave my truck away. So anyways, he ended up stopping the auction and gave me a shout out, which was really cool, man. So that was worth its weight in gold. But anyways, here's a quick video. I'll get caught up on videos here pretty soon, but I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. 129. 129. No, I did not. Thank you. First time I've had it all together, so I got a video of it a little bit.